Hello everybody, welcome back to my video. Today we are flying in the simple seaplane. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just obviously it's simple as it says. Going to be flying, just having a bit of fun. In fact, let me face this way. Yeah, so let's get it. Right, so let me adjust myself before we take off. Okay, so what we're going to do is, so first we need to turn on the engine. Maybe the engine's already turned on for us. This is the wheel, or the yoke, whatever. Going to push the throttle all the way up. When it reaches 120, and take off. Make sure we take off just now. Oh, there we go, yeah. That's better. Right, so now we're in the air. And just going to see what we can do. And so we've got a yaw in here. That's quite nice. Then we've got flaps there. So up, down, and then what we're going to do, we're just going to fly, try and go above this mountain. Maybe it won't go that high, because it's not powerful enough, or I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so let's just make out as close to it. Just going to start to swing around a bit. Hopefully I won't stall today. But really quick bit. Right, we're going to turn to the runway now. And hope of landing. Okay. Push that a bit more down because we're about to stall. That should be fine. Now's the time you can back the throttle all the way. And we're just going to land like that. Yeah, well, there you have it. There's a landing for you. Why is it roll? Oh, right, okay. Anyway, yeah, so that is the simple seaplane for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, you should definitely go on your VR if you have one and download Simple Planes. It's $8 or maybe $10, or it translates to £8. Yeah. So that's my video. See you guys later. Peace out.